Proteus and Manny, the Purple Bird. Written by Mountain Marvel. Illustrated by Double Nelson. Now the Happy Island boasted many natural wonders. And then it had grown up, so it's nearly almost a river. Being grown up, it said to itself, there is no hurries, we should get there someday. So over the river was an old wooden bridge at the end of the corner. It was the most particular and the most peaceful and the most curious spot, especially to Proteus the Great, for he would often wander there, doing nothing in particular and thinking nothing in particular. But on the most discovering therapy sessions out of his house, something took his mind off of nothing. This is a strange one looking for a red apple, he said, picking it up. And something's odd to rhyme to it. So he thought, and he thought in the most thoughtful way he could think of an apple. Now, let me think. Now, to me, most red apples, they belong in trees, rhymed Proteus. Up high with the buzzing bees. But this one I found down on the ground, free by a gentle breeze. Whoops. Oh dear, cried Proteus. I suppose I should find another one. But as he proceeded to get another apple, he heard a strange noise. Someone like, are you all right down there? He called from above. Just get someone to pull me out of this water. And so Proteus did, as fast as he could. Yes, you're down the count. In the river, you purple bird brain, and it serves you right. Oh, I thank you so much for saving my life from that terrible water in the river, even though it took you 2 more minutes to do it. Hey, no problems, said Proteus. That's why that everybody thinks I'm the best. Now, I just forgot to give you a little more reward. My name's Manny, the famous purple bird you have ever seen. I work here with Bluebird. And you are? And what is your name? I'm Proteus. Proteus the Great, he said. Wait, Proteus? Oh my! You're the famous global yellow guy that you survived me and rescued me from that terrible, nasty looking evil selling forth of yours. You know? He said. Of course I do. I was been kidnapped by him. Because I was locked up in the cage. Because he was planning to take over the world. And then he just put me down into the river. And now you just came here to save me. And rescued me. Well, something like that. And now in all my years, I was been saved by someone. A global yellow hero who never saves the day in my whole life. Why, thank you, Proteus. Oh, you're welcome. It was a good grand adventure tale for a story without having ice cream and candy flops on your red beak nose. So Proteus and Manny shake hands and become best buddies, or good friends for short. Hey, one more thing. There's a music session in Musicland. They're gonna have a big band tonight. Wanna come? Why, sure, Manny, he said excitedly. You know I love to. And you could help me find a part for me to be in their band. Yes, of course so, he said. So off they set to Musicland. Well, let's go. Soon they arrived at Musicland. Well, here we are. So, this is the Musicland, eh? He said. Yeah, sure. Hello, Proteus. Hello, Manny, and welcome to Musicland, where you get to play any of those instruments you really like. So, which instrument can you really play? The trumpet! Oh, I can play it! I can play the trumpet! Oh yes, that's good. But we've already have a trumpet player. Meet Trumpety Bluebird.
Now that's jazz.
Oh my, the xylophones! I can play those. Well, yes, of course you can. But we've already have a xylophone player. Meet Vibe Tingling Harry.
My, digging those crazy vibes.
Ooh, the double bass. I can play it. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, of course you can play it. But we already have a double bass player. Toe tapping, la-di-da-di chicken.
Hello. Groovy baby. Oh boy, the drums! I can play the drums.
Yeah, that's very well of you to play the drums, but I'm the drummer player in this music session in Musicland, and I'm afraid we don't need to have two of them.
So, which instruments can you play, Manny? Okay, now let me see. Ooh, I can play the flute. The flutes can be good. I can play the flute, the banjo, the violin, and the ocarina.
Well, I hate to say this, but I'm so sorry, my friend. But we haven't got any of those instruments, because you know that there isn't a part for you to be in the band. So goodbye. Right. Is everyone ready? On three. On a count of three. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh dear, poor Manny felt bad and left out because of what Aku Aku said, that there isn't a part for him to play in their band.
They think I don't want to be in the band no more. So in that case, I've got better things to do. Although, I am feeling a bit lonely some days.
He wanted to go somewhere he could be left alone.
I don't know how much as the others do. I don't know how to step on one foot or wiggle my toes. Don't know how to sleep at night. I can only count 2, 3, 5. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I don't know how much as the others do. I don't know how to build a tower made out of bricks. I'm okay at the start of purple, but I just don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Yeah, don't know what to really say. Yeah, don't know what to really say. Oh yeah. Oh na 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 la 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 la. Gee, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. La 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 la. Oh boy, oh yeah. Oh yeah!
They cheered and cheered just to see Manny. Manny's singing was awesome.
Oh, why, hello there. Fancy meeting me here?
That was great, he said excitedly to Manny.
Oh, you just keep saying that. Wow, I mean, that was great! You should be the best singer in the band. We're going to see Aku Aku and the music makers tonight. You have got to join their band.
Manny tried to explain.
You see, to tell you the truth, it would have not been for the promise of this, that I already tried and there isn't a part for the poor old me.
Come on, it'll be great.
Yeah, it'll be great! Really?
Meanwhile, Manny, Smiley, Bob, and Chickadee all followed after Proteus back to Musicland. Hey everyone, gather Proteus to all of them around. This is Manny, That's the purple bird. And he's going to show us how brilliant he is and how most awesome he is to be in the part of your band.
Yeah, read you loud and clear. Kabish.
Well, you see, we just haven't got any of those instruments, as you can tell.
See, I already told you.
He's good, but we just don't have enough parts. And we just don't have a part for him to be in our band no more.
In that case, I'll just go now then.
What?
Doink, doink, doink.
Haven't you heard him sing yet? He's fantastic!
Wait, sing? I didn't know he could sing.
Hey, did somebody say he could sing? Not me. I didn't know he could really sing. But that's why we don't have a singer. A singing player. Or someone just to do that. The best singer will do very nicely, eh?
Yeah! Ha ha ha! Then singing it is. Welcome to the band. Can I be with you in the band too?
Yes, of course you can, chickadee.
Wait, I'm gonna win that prize. So that night, Manny and Chickadee ran off to get ready, while the others test out their musical instruments. The trumpet, the xylophone, the drums, and the double bass. Boom, 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 boom. Is everyone ready?
A 1, 2, 3, 4.
A 1, 2. A 1, 2, 3, 4.
Counting sheep. When you're trying to sleep, being fair. When there's something to share, being neat. When you're folding a sheet. That's mathematics. When a ball bounces off of a wall. When you cook. From a recipe book. When you know how much money you owe. That's mathematics. How much gold can you hold in an elephant's ear? When it's noon on the moon, when it counts as a year. If you could count for a year, would you get to infinity or somewhere in that vicinity? When you choose how much postage to use, when you know what's the chance it will snow, when you bet and you'll end up in debt. Or try as you may, you just can't get away from mathematics. And you wiles, Disney smiles, just his thing, and voila! QED, we agree, and we all shout, hurrah! As he confirms what they're at, jotted down to that margin, which could have used some enlarging. Tap your toes, keep in time to a pose of our song. While you're singing along, arm in arm with the rest of the guys. Just try as you may, you just can't get away from mathematics. Ladies and gentlemen, the greatest all-stars is now ended. Thank you very much. And me too.
Hooray! They cheered. They cheered and cheered and they clapped. I think that your singing was the best. And it was great too.
Yeah, I'm glad. I'm glad to hear that.
Well, if you love singing so much, then let's do it again, said Proteus.
We will?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it again.
I just can't wait to have a sing and dance with you, said Proteus delightedly. And so Manny got to join a part of the band after all, and joining Proteus too. But poor Sallyforth done nothing but pulling out some stinkweeds. Oh, I hate dumbweeds. He's delirious. You don't hold yourself, silly. You sure you're gonna act like this? And do that? Do it with honor. I'll get you! I'll get you next time, Proteus the Great! Just you wait! And even though Manny, who had never failed to sing and dance in the band one more times, or just like one more times than anyone else's, but that's another happy ever after ending.
Proteus the Great had to hurry on his way, but he waved goodbye saying it's okay, I'll be back again someday. Bumpity, 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 bumper, look at that Proteus go. Bumpity, bumpity, bumper, bumper, over the happy island.
The end.
Hello! Don't forget to show all of your logos of Proteus the Great, just to find out when we add some clips, or you can watch an episode, especially for your favorite memory, by subscribing for free to the Mountain Marvel of Ladylodeon channel.